Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today I want to talk to you guys about Procore Analytics. Look, Procore is one of the most used construction management systems on the market, but it does have one notable limiting factor. It tends to use dry, tabular reporting for keeping track of all your project cost and schedule data. In other words, what you see here on my screen is what we're all used to, right? Just rows and columns of number after number after number. And if we want to get totals and summations, it's always difficult to try and get that output. There's a better way to do all of this, right? And it is called Procore Analytics. And it's a much better way of working with your construction cost and scheduling data. Procore Analytics is a visual reporting module that lets you build custom graphics and present complex data in really easy to understand charts and images that update in real time as your construction project progresses, right? And the great thing is that these are accessible right from the homepage of your Procore apps. You're just going to go in and go to Procore Financials, right? And let me show you guys exactly what I mean. So Procore Analytic reports are accessible right from the homepage of your portfolio. And they can be built and modified to address any process or job title specific requirements. And you can even restrict who can see or access specific reports so that you can create distinct analytics for job supers versus, financials for senior management and who can see it and who can do what with it. Okay. And you see that here you can build everything out, and everything that we're talking about here in the visual updates in real time. So you can go and you can see where all your jobs are. If you want to know, what's going on with a specific job, and you can just hover over it and get your job course, where it is, what start and close dates are. You can do things like sort by project status and state and region, what's going on, how many jobs are, on budget or off budget or overdue in a specific state or location, right? We can put in total values for the company, what's in progress, right? What percentage or what values we're dealing with. And we can go in and we can get more information on any of these just by isolating and clicking over here. And you see it'll show us which projects are happening in which area and break all of the work down. Right? So we get congregated data and federated data into a single selection set. And we can build these reports with multiple tabs. So if we want to see overall project statuses for the company, maybe what we want to do is break it down per regions. And we want to be able to tell, right, in this case, right, our contingency. How much contingency am I holding in each region of the country, which may have different billing officers and so on. So I can see what's over budget, what's under budget, how much total contingency we're holding on these jobs. And these data numbers will update in real time. I can get general financial overviews for the whole company, right? How much money have we paid out year to date? How many invoices are in? What's my projected over under for the quarter or the year? Right? And all of these can be filtered out by regions and locations and projects. Right? All the different features that you need. Here you can see we can go in and get into more individual details for specific regions. Right? When did, are our general start dates? I can use slide bars to adjust which areas, which quarters, which sections of the year I'm looking at. And it's telling me right away, right? What construction stage, what region, what state, right? You can get project name, project number, anything that you need. I can go in and get full summaries for independent regions. So if I just want to look at my Southwest region and see how many jobs does ZenTek have running, in Arizona and New Mexico, right? Well, how many millions of dollars are in them, right? How much do we have in terms of current spend versus remainder? What's my over under budget? How much total contingency within that region? I can go in and do the same thing for schedules and scheduling. I can get a summary of, the percentage of schedule, their over, their health scores. I can compare schedule versus pending. And the greatest thing about all of these, right, including things like key influencers, I can tell you which events, whether it's specific project managers or regions that cause things to go, budgets or schedules to be delayed or go over budget or under budget, right? And the great thing about all of these is that the data updates in real time. As your project managers are just using their day-to-day Procore operational structures, all of this information updates for you in real time. And that is the concept behind Procore Analytics. And ZenTek Consultants is here to help you guys engage with Procore Analytics, structure these reports to show exactly what you want with any formulas or considerations that you need in the way that you need it to effectively manage your construction projects.